I'm gonna show you the SHP 2000 model carbon cleaning machine. You can see here, this is the electrolysis power. It is bigger than the others. It comes with like high power, large gas production. It is suitable for long working time. And another one is a oxygen generator. It comes with heat dissipation tubes around, so it got better heat dissipation. So another one is the touch screen. Let me turn on the machine. For the control panel is the touch screen, so it is very convenient for you to operate the machine. And here is the work tubes. If something wrong with the machines, in here we've got the work tubes. And let me show you the setting. So the machine comes with multiple name grease